Imagine you're alone at home, humming in the kitchen, fully immersed in preparing your favorite dish. The aroma fills the air, and you're just a few steps away from culinary perfection. But then, disaster strikes. You realize a key ingredient is out of stock. You frantically search the pantry, even double-check the fridge, but it's nowhere to be found. What do? In moments like these, knowing basic ingredient alternatives can be a lifesaver. Whether you're whipping up a quick weeknight dinner or hosting a dinner party, having a few clever sweeps up your sleeve ensures your cooking journey continues without a hitch. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. Here, we're all about simplifying your cooking journey, offering tips, tricks, and solutions to keep your kitchen running smoothly. From ingredient substitutes to time-saving hacks, we've got you covered. Ready to get started? Let's dive in and transform your cooking experience. Baking soda is a key ingredient in baking, acting as a leavening agent to help your treats rise. It's an alkaline compound that reacts with acids like vinegar or buttermilk, producing carbon dioxide bubbles that create light, fluffy textures in baked goods. Without it, your cookies, cakes, and muffins might turn out dense and flat. But what if you're halfway through baking cookies and suddenly, no baking soda? Don't panic, there are simple swaps that can save your recipe. First, baking powder is your best bet. Since it's a mix of baking soda and acid, you'll need 3 times the amount. So if your recipe calls for 1 teaspoon of baking soda, use 3 teaspoons of baking powder instead. Next, if your recipe already includes a liquid, try using lemon juice or vinegar. Just 1/2 teaspoon per 1 teaspoon of baking soda will activate the rise in your baked goods. Lastly, if you have yogurt or buttermilk on hand, they can do the trick too. Adjust your liquid ingredients slightly and use 1/4 cup per teaspoon of baking soda to maintain the right texture. Each swap works best in different recipes. Baking powder is the easiest, while lemon juice or vinegar add a slight tang, making them great for cakes and muffins. If you love baking, save this list for the next time you run out of ingredients. What's your favorite baking substitute? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick kitchen hacks. Eggs play a crucial role in baking, acting as a binding agent, adding moisture, and helping baked goods rise. They contribute to structure and texture, making your treats soft, fluffy, or chewy. But what if you're halfway through mixing your batter and, you're out of eggs? Don't stress, there are plenty of easy replacements that work just as well. Mashed banana is one of the best swaps, adding moisture and a hint of natural sweetness. Just use 1/4 cup per egg in your recipe. If you prefer something more neutral, unsweetened applesauce is a great alternative. Like bananas, use 1/4 cup per egg and it'll keep your baked goods soft and moist. Another popular substitute is chia or flax seeds. Simply mix 1 tablespoon of seeds with 2.5 tablespoons of water, let it sit for a few minutes until it forms a gel-like texture, and use it as a 1-for-1 egg replacement. Each option works best in different recipes. Bananas and applesauce add sweetness, making them ideal for muffins and pancakes, while chia and flax seeds are better for cookies and brownies. Try them out and see which one works best for you. Butter is a staple in baking, adding richness, moisture, and that perfect flaky texture. It enhances flavor and helps create the ideal consistency in cakes, cookies, and pastries. But what if you're halfway through a recipe and, you're out of butter? Don't worry, there are simple swaps that will keep your baking on track. Coconut oil is the closest alternative and can be swapped 1-for-1 for butter, though it does add a subtle coconut flavor. If you're making something savory, olive oil is a great choice. Use 3/4 cup of oil per 1 cup of butter for the right consistency. And if you're looking for a creamy option that keeps your baked goods moist, yogurt or mashed avocado can work wonders. Use them in a 1-for-1 ratio, and they'll add a rich texture without altering the flavor too much. Each swap has its own benefits. Coconut oil works well in sweets, olive oil is great for bread and pasta, and avocado is perfect for brownies. Which one have you tried before? Let us know in the comments. Flour is the backbone of many baked goods, providing structure and texture. But what if you need an alternative, whether for dietary reasons or just because you ran out? Don't worry, there are great substitutes depending on your needs. If you're looking for a low-carb option, almond flour is a great choice. It has a slightly nutty flavor and works in a 1:1 ratio, though you may need to add an extra egg for structure. If you want something gluten-free, oat flour is an easy option. Just blend oats into a fine powder and it works 1-for-1 in most recipes. For a lighter absorbent flour, coconut flour is your best bet. But be careful, since it absorbs a lot of moisture, use only 1/4 cup of coconut flour per 1 cup of regular flour, and increase your liquid ingredients. Each flour has its own texture and function. Almond flour makes baked goods dense, oat flour works great in breads and muffins, and coconut flour needs more eggs to keep things moist. Need to thicken a sauce or soup but ran out of cornstarch? No problem, you can use all-purpose flour instead, just double the amount. If your recipe calls for 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, use 2 tablespoons of flour. Just make sure to mix it with water first to avoid clumps. Another great alternative is arrowroot powder. It's a 1:1 swap and works best in cold dishes like puddings and fruit fillings. And if you're making soups or stews, mashed potatoes can naturally thicken them while adding extra flavor. There you have it. Now you can keep cooking without worry, no matter what you're out of. Each substitute has its own best use. Which one is your go-to? Let us know in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cooking hacks from Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless begins. Thanks for watching.